Hello students, see the problem here. If the angle of incident is n times the angle of glancing, the angle of deviation is. So here we have to calculate the angle of deviation. Okay, so to calculate the angle of deviation, what is the formula? So delta is equal to 2 times of glancing angle. This is the formula to calculate the angle of deviation. So that means here we have to calculate the glancing angle and substitute. So how to calculate the glancing angle means, see, here one int is given in the question, that is the angle of incident is n times the angle of glancing. So that means I is equal to n times of glancing angle. Here I means angle of incidence. So that is equal to n times of glancing angle. And also we should write the relation between the angle of incident and glancing angle. Then how to write the relation between the angle of incident and glancing angle means, this is the normal, this is the surface. When the light ray is incident on the surface, so this ray we can calculate as angle of incident. The angle between the incident ray and normal we can calculate as angle of incident. The angle between the incident ray and surface we can calculate as glancing angle. So here see, sum of these two angles, angle of incident plus glancing angle, should be equal to 90 degrees. Okay now. Why? Because these two are perpendicular to each other. So sum of angle of incident plus glancing angle is equal to 90 degrees. So from here I can calculate I is equal to, okay now, 90 degrees minus g. So let us consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So equation 2 substitute in equation 1. Okay now. So equation 2 substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 is what? I is equal to n into g. Here also I is equal to n into g. That means LHS sides are equal, then equate RHS sides. So that means n into g is equal to 90 minus g. Now minus g is sent to this side, became plus. So n into g plus g is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now from this one g can take common, n plus 1 is equal to 90 degrees. Now we want to g value. Okay, now we want to g value, then g is equal to 90. Okay, 90 degrees by n plus 1. Okay, now this g value we want to substitute in deviation formula. So deviation is equal to what? 2 times of glancing angle. So that is 2 into, so glancing angle is equal to how much? 90 degrees by n plus 1. Okay. So from this one, 2 into 90, 180 degrees by n plus 1. So this is the angle of deviation. Okay now. So angle of deviation is equal to how much? 180 degrees by n plus 1. Okay. So this is a problem.